EQCHEN EQ4 to-door commercial refrigerator and freezer combo. The left is refrigerator 33 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and the right is freezer -8 to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. This product's size, 48.4-inch width x 31.5 depth x 78-inch height. 6-year warranty compressor, 2-year warranty parts. Stainless steel interior and exterior last longer. EQCHEN to-door commericlal refrigerator and freezer is typically used in various businesses and establishments where there is a need to store perishable items in large quantities. Some common places where commercial refrigerators are used include restaurants, supermarkets, and grocery stores, hotels, cafeterias, and food service facilities. Convenience stores, food processing plants, catering businesses, bars and pubs, hospitals, and healthcare facilities, research laboratories.